friends, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a craft idea for you today. I want you to go out and collect some leaves, some nice long slim leaves like off a willow tree or other. I got some, they're not so long, but some are longer than others. But we're going to make a sunflower craft out of our leaves. So you need to go collect some leaves. So I went out and I collected mine, and they were very wet because it has just been raining. And then I just laid them out on a newspaper to get nice and dry before I made my craft. So get your leaves, and I've got lots. I can make more flowers. Then you also need some brown construction paper, some scissors, probably a pencil, and a circle shape because you're going to cut out the center of your flower out of your brown construction paper. So I just used the bottom of my Play-Doh container because that, for the length of my leaves, that was the perfect circle. So you're just going to cut out your circles. You're going to need 2 per flower. So maybe you have brought lots of leaves in just like I have, so you'll be able to make more than 1 flower. So just cut out 2 brown circles for each flower that you're planning to make. So here I've got my 2 circles. And just put one down on your table, on a scrap piece of paper or whatever, something that doesn't matter if it gets glue on. And then you're just going to cover that circle with glue. So here I'm just going to do that. If I can get my glue to come down. And I will make a flower with you. So I hope that you have got your leaves there. You're ready to make a craft. My glue is now coming out. So I'm just going to cover my circle in glue because I want those leaves to stick. And here I've got my leaves, and I'm just going to start getting leaves, and I'm going to glue them around my brown circle base. I'm getting glue all over my fingers, and that's just A-OK. Because glue dries and peels off, or you can wash it off. So you're going to go all the way around your circle with your leaves. And doesn't matter if you've got some spaces, because we're going to do another layer. And my leaves are all different lengths, and that's okay, because this is a flower that is not perfect by any means. So you're going to go around and you're going to get your 1 layer of leaves. Some leaves are eaten away. So there's my first layer. And then you're just going to add another layer of glue. So on top of those leaves, you're just going to add more glue because you're going to add more leaves, more leaves to fill in the space of your flower. So after you've got 1 layer done, you're just going to add more glue and add more leaves because you want to fill in all those spaces so you have a nice full flower. So you can add as many leaves as you choose. Use big leaves, little leaves, whatever you've got. Some are small, some are big, and it doesn't matter because it's going to be beautiful. Now my fingers are starting to stick to my paper. Uh-oh. That's getting messy. So you're just going to go all the way around it again. You're going to add more leaves to fill in your flower. And I'm going to have to leave mine laying flat because it's still wet. But after you've got your at least 2 layers of leaves, you're going to put the other brown circle on the back to cover it in, and then you're going to get a straw, a drinking straw. Maybe you have paper straws, that would be awesome. I didn't, I had plastic, and you're just going to tape that on as your stem. So there you have a flower, and what I did, you can get a vase or something. I put my marbles in there so I could secure my flower, and now I have my vase with my beautiful flower, and I can put that as a decoration on my table or anywhere I choose. And if I even get it in the center and it stands up straight, And there I have a beautiful leaf sunflower craft that I've got for my table. So I hope you have fun. I hope you go collect some leaves and you glue them around a brown center that you've cut out and then attach them to a drinking straw, or maybe you have a popsicle stick or something, and then you can put it in a vase and there you have a beautiful sunflower. So have fun, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.